Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing how to make entryway Pongal or Sankranti decorations in a very simple and easy way, recycling old stuff. This way we don't have to buy very expensive showpieces to decorate as per theme for small occasions. Before getting into the video, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. And also I shared the link for all the materials that I used in this DIY process in the description box. So if anyone wants to buy, please check the description box for the link. Now let's get into the video and check how to make this DIY easy Pongal or Sankranti decorations. Here I have these old diyas I'm using since 3-4 years for Diwali. So these are already worn out, so I just want to recycle this diyas. So I'm using this acrylic paints and I'm painting this with first with the white color, and now after the white paint is coated, now I'm allowing this to dry. Once the white color is painted well, allow this to dry, and then now after it is well dried, here I am applying red color. This red color is also an acrylic paint, so I am applying red color on the outer side of this diya, but inside I am leaving it white color. Here you can see this red paint is also well dried, so now I am making some designs as per my wish. If you want, you can use any design as per your wish. Here I used green color, green acrylic paint, and I am drawing some designs here. We are done painting this old diyas with acrylic paints. Here you can see how beautiful and pretty they look. These are like just like new diyas. Now let's move on to the second process. Here I have this origami papers and scissor and glue. Now I'm taking this brown color origami paper and I'm folding as shown in the video. Now glue this at the end to secure it tightly. Here we got the stem of the sugarcane. So now keep it aside, and now let's move on to prepare the leaves of this sugarcane stem. To make the leaves, here I took green color origami paper and I folded in the center, and then I'm cutting as shown in the video. These origami papers also I got at Amazon, so I'm leaving a link in the description box. If anyone wants to buy these origami papers, you can check the description box for the link. And as Sankranti or Pongal, sugarcane is the main part, so I'm making sugarcane out of these origami papers. Now using the tweezers, curl this paper like this to give the exact shape of the leaves. Trim the edges of this brown stem and apply some glue on the leaves part. Now place this stem part and swirl this around these leaves. With this, our sugarcane stem is ready. Now to draw this concentric circles, here I have this acrylic paint pen. So this also I got from the Amazon. I'm using this paint pen and I'm drawing the concentric circles around the stem. Finally, beautiful sugarcane stems are ready. Now keep them aside and let's move on to the next step. Here I have this cardboard box that I got from a grocery store. So I'm cutting along this and I'm taking this central part. With this, here I got a nice rectangle shaped piece of cardboard. Now I'm painting this with the acrylic paint. I usually prefer using acrylic paints because they give nice texture to the base that we are using for the painting. Once it is painted with white color, allow it to dry, and after it is dried, here I am applying red color acrylic paints to the same board. Once painting with red color is also over, now allow this to dry, and after it is well dried, here I am using this acrylic paint pens and I'm making some rangoli design on this board, because the Sankranti or Pongal is all about making rangoli. So I just want to make one rangoli on this as a backdrop. Here I'm making this Radham rangoli because during Sankranti on the festival day, on the main festival day, all over India they draw this Radham rangoli and celebrate this festival. So I just want to make it authentic, so I'm drawing this. Once this Radham Rangoli is over, here on the borders I'm making a border design also. This also with the two lines I'm keeping dots, and along the lines I'm drawing this Rangoli. You may draw any design as a backdrop, but I prefer drawing this because this is the theme of this decoration. With this, our Rangoli backdrop is ready. Now let's see how to assemble all this together. Here I choose one corner place in the entryway and I'm arranging all that we made. These artificial flowers I got from Amazon, so for this also I'm leaving link in the description box. And this, to elevate the level, I'm using this cardboard. So I'm using these diyas to make the fireplace to keep the pot. You can see these are those diyas we painted in the beginning of this video. So I'm using these diyas, placing one over the other to make a pot shape, and I placed cotton to give that as if this pongal is being cooked here. Now I'm placing these sugar cane stems behind the pot. Now in front of the pongal pot I'm placing one more rangoli design, and this I made on the foam sheet with the kundans, and this I don't have a video because I made this some 2-3 years back. Once everything is prepared and set up, now this is the look of this entryway theme decoration. So friends, this is our simple and easy DIY pongal decoration recycling old material. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.